was very late.
Bigger table. The commander has agreed to sit down. You're not calling the shots here, I am.
The Republic of Fiji Military Forces today, after discussions with the police, went and secured the weapons with the police tactical response unit. This was done to ensure that the PTR, the tactical response unit, won't be used by dissidents as an instrument against RFMF and the people of Fiji. The manner in which the weapons were removed was a result of a misunderstanding between the tenants at the PTR armoury and Assistant Police Commissioner Bulamanebalu, Kebu. In addition, we intend to disarm bodyguards attached to the government ministers and the Prime Minister. The securing of PTR weapons was done to ensure the safety of PTR personnel, and that we would not want to present an opportunity where the police weapons would be used against the military.
Commodore Channel 9. Who is running Fiji now, sir?
I don't have any comments right now.
Thank you.